In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Spotify on your Windows computer or laptop. So first thing we need to do, just click on Windows Start button, then search Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store application. In Microsoft Store search bar, search for Spotify. Press enter. As you see in the left hand side, Spotify application, just click on that. Now to download and install Spotify on your computer, just click on Get button. It will take few moments to download and install on your computer. Just wait few moments. Once download done, click on this open button, or you can open Spotify application. Just click on Windows Start menu, then search here Spotify. Click on the Spotify application. To use Spotify application, click on login button, or if you don't have any Spotify account, just click on sign up for free. Now log in your Spotify account and then you can use Spotify application on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.